Reactions of glucose with different chemicals. Glucose, this is glucose. Glucose react with hydrogen iodide, this chemical, to form cyclohexane. When hydrogen iodide is heated with glucose, it forms N-hexane. It forms N-hexane. When glucose react with hydrogen cyanide, HCN, it forms cyanohydrin. Cyanohydrin means with carbon there is CN and OH groups. So this is second reaction. When it react with bromine water, when glucose react with bromine water, it forms gluconic acid. It forms gluconic acid. This is gluconic acid. And when it react with nitric acid, it forms saccharic acid. In saccharic acid, there are two COH groups. There are two COH groups in saccharic acid. When it react with hydroxylamine, NH2OH, there is formation of an oxime. There is formation of an oxime. And when glucose react with acetic anhydride, it forms pentacetate of glucose. Pentacetate of glucose. Structure of fructose. Fructose contains ketone group. It is a ketohexose. It has a furan type structure and has the molecular formula C6H12O6. It belongs to capital D series and is a levorotatory compound. Unlike glucose, it is a levorotatory compound because glucose was a dextrorotatory compound. Now this is cyclic structure of glucose. When this OH group is on right hand side, it is called alpha D fructofuranose. And when this OH group is on left hand side at the top, it is called beta D fructofuranose. Now these are the Haworth structures for fructose. We have to draw these structures. we have to learn these structures as such Hober structures for fructose. So these are the monosaccharide, glucose and fructose. Then is disaccharides. The sugar which on hydrolysis gives 2 units of monosaccharides are called disaccharides. Disaccharides are crystalline solids and are soluble in water. Sucrose, maltose, lactose are disaccharides. Hydrolysis of sucrose is called inversion of cane sugar. Sucrose is a disaccharide because on hydrolysis it produces 2 monosaccharides, namely D-glucose and fructose. This sucrose is a dextrotertiary compound, but on hydrolysis it gives glucose and fructose. Glucose is dextrotertiary, but fructose is levorotatory. The levorotation of fructose is more than the dextrotation of glucose. Therefore, the net rotation is levo or net rotation is negative. And overall we can say that a dextrorotatory compounds, it overall changes to a levorotatory compound. So this is called invert sugar.